Catherine?
What?
Oh, sorry. I'm all finished up there.
Good.
Champagne, huh?
Yes.
Celebrating?
Do you want some?
Sure.
Take it. You can take the rest with you.
No. No thanks.
Take it. I'm done.
No, I'm driving. I'll let myself out.
Good.
When should I come back?
Come back.
Yeah, I'm no way near finished. Maybe tomorrow?
We have a funeral tomorrow.
You're right. I'm sorry. I was planning on attending, if that's alright.
Sure.
What about Sunday? Will you be around?
You've had 3 days.
I know you don't need anybody in your hair, but someone's got to go through your dad's stuff.
There's nothing up there.
There are 103 notebooks.
He was a graphomaniac, Harold. Do you know what that is?
He wrote compulsively. And call me Hal.
It's like a monkey at a typewriter. 103 notebooks of bullshit.
I am prepared to look at every page. Are you?
No, I'm not crazy.
Well, I'm going to be late. Some friends of mine are playing in a band on Central. They're way down the bill. They're probably going on around 2:30. I said I'd be there.
Great.
They're from the math department. They have this song called I. You'd love it. Just lowercase I. They just stand there. They don't play anything for 3 minutes.
Imaginary number?
It's a math joke. You see why they're way down on the bill.
That's a long drive to see some nerds in a band.
You know, I hate when people say that. It's really not that long of a drive.
So they are nerds.
Oh, they're raging geeks. But they're geeks who can dress themselves and can hold down a job at a major university. Some of them switch their glasses for contacts. They play sports. They play in a band. They get late surprisingly often. So it really makes you question the whole set of terms. Geek, nerd, Dilbert.
You're in this band, aren't you?
Okay, yes. I play the drums. You want to come? I never sing, I swear to God.
No thanks.
All right, look, Catherine. What do you say? Monday?
Don't you have a job?
A full teaching loan, plus my own work.
Plus band practice.
Plus, I teach hockey to 10-year-olds.
You make me sick.
I don't have time for this. I don't have time to do this. But I have to do it if you'll let me. I loved your dad. I don't believe that a mind like his can just shut down. He had lucid moments. He had a lucid year. A whole year, 3 years ago.
Sorry.
Wait, you're 23, right?
How old are you?
Well, it doesn't matter.
How old are you?
I'm 28. When your dad was younger than both of us, he was writing stuff for 3 major fields. Game theory, algebraic geometry.
Don't lecture me.
If I came up with 1/10 of the shit that your dad was producing, I could write my ticket to any math department in the country.
Give me your backpack.
Why?
Because I want to look inside it.
What?
Open it up and give it to me.
Oh, come on.
You're not taking anything out of here.
I wouldn't.
You're hoping to find something you can publish.
Sure.
Then you can write your own ticket.
What? No, I would write it in your dad's name. For your dad.
You have something in that backpack.
What?
Give it to me.
Okay, come on, you're being a little paranoid.
Just because I'm being paranoid doesn't mean there isn't something in the backpack.
Look, you said it yourself. There's nothing up there, right? Didn't you?
Yes.
So then what is there to take? Right?
You're right.
Thank you. What the hell? This isn't an airport.
You can come back.